Howdy folks, today we are going to review the Monster Jam Gravedigger Takedown Playset. Oh, check it out. Let's see what this does. Ooh, pretty neat. Got a little gravedigger right there. Two little boys right here, all excited, ready to destroy. Alright, so let me get this bad boy unboxed and we'll do a full product review and let you know how this is going to be. I'll be right back. Spooky. All right, piece of cake to assemble. That's a first huge plus. I'm assuming this is demo mode, or that's just what it does. We didn't read the instructions yet. How cool! All right, you ready?
3, 2.
Oh! I know we set it up right. Harper smash, like Hulk smash. Oh, hold on, wait. There you go. Hulk smash. Hard. Boom. Harder. Oh. Ooh. Hard. Oh. 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 He ate you. Oh, he's mad. Oh. There you go. Now you gotta lower the ramp, and then this should kill him. Oh, see, there you go. There you go. You killed him. Oh. Ooh. He's falling apart. He's dead. We destroyed him. How cool is this? Haha. And then somebody's back into the treasure axe. That's cool. He ate it, huh? Oh no. Oh, poor frog. Oh, he broke his teeth right out.
If you're watching,
Bye.
bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Love you.
Love you.
Hugs and kisses.
Hugs and kisses.
Subscribe
Subscribe
to Harper's Playhouse.
to